Hiccups feel so random, right? They're actually sudden, involuntary spasms of your diaphragm, the big muscle right below your lungs. When your diaphragm spasms, it forces you to breathe in air really fast. This sudden rush of air makes your vocal cord snap shut, which creates that classic hit sound. It's like a little glitch in your breathing system. The most common triggers are things like eating too quickly, drinking fizzy sodas, or alcohol. You can also get them from sudden temperature changes, or even from feeling super excited or nervous. For the most part, hiccups are completely harmless and usually go away on their own after a few minutes. However, if you find yourself hiccuping for more than 48 hours straight, it's a good idea to check in with a doctor, just to be safe.